Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we are going to take up one very interesting question from algebra which we are going to solve using calculus, differentiation. So let's get started by considering required expression equal to E first. A, B, C are the roots of this cubic equation x cube minus x plus 1 equal to 0. Then we have to evaluate 1 over 1 plus a plus 1 over 1 plus b plus 1 over 1 plus c. So let's get started by considering one function fx which will be equal to x minus a times x minus b times x minus c will be equal to x cube minus x plus 1. Now we will consider fx equal to x minus a times x minus b times x minus c. We'll take log both sides. Log with base 10. So we'll write log of fx will be equal to log of x minus a times x minus b times x minus c. Now we know that log of ab equal to log of a plus log of b, which we will apply in the right hand side. So we will get log of fx equal to log of x minus a plus log of x minus b plus log of x minus c. Now we will differentiate both sides with respect to x. Now we know that derivative of log x, if I will write here d by dx of log x, then this is equal to 1 over x. So we will get in the left hand side derivative of log fx. We will write f of x in the denominator. Now the derivative of fx we will write here f dash x. In the right hand side we will write 1 over x minus a plus 1 over x minus b plus derivative of log x minus c will be 1 over x minus c. Now f prime x over fx, we know here fx is x cube minus x plus 1. So we can find out f prime x or f dash x. This will be equal to 3x square minus 1. Now we have to find out this expression 1 plus a, 1 plus b, 1 plus c in the denominator. So I will put x equal to minus 1 so that we'll be getting minus of 1 plus a in the denominator, minus of bracket 1 plus b in the denominator, minus of bracket 1 plus c in the denominator. So let us put x equal to minus 1 first. I will write equation once. Now we will put x equal to negative 1. So we can write LHS f prime of negative 1 over f of negative 1 will be equal to 1 over negative 1 negative a plus 1 over negative 1 negative b plus 1 over negative 1 negative c. Now we know that f of x equal to x cube minus x plus 1. So we can find f of minus 1, which we will put in the denominator of left hand side. So f of minus 1 will be minus 1 cube minus of minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus times minus 1 is plus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 will be over. We will get f of minus 1 equal to 1. Now we have to calculate f prime minus 1, which we have already calculated. F prime x. This was 3x square minus 1. So I will put x equal to minus 1. Value will be equal to 3 times minus 1 square minus 1 equal to 3 times minus 1 square is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3 minus 1 value will be 2. F of minus 1 is 1. So our left hand side of the equation would be 2 over 1. In right hand side we will be writing 1 over. Minus is common. So we will write 1 over 1 plus a plus 1 over minus is common. We will write 1 plus b. Then we have to write plus 1 over minus is common. In the bracket we will write 1 plus c. Now we can take minus common from RHS overall. So left hand side would be 2. In RHS we will take minus common out. So in the bracket we can write 1 over 1 plus a plus 1 over 1 plus b plus 1 over 1 plus c. And this curly bracket is our required expression E. So I can write minus E equal to 2. Now we have to multiply both sides by negative 1. We are going to get expression value negative 2. So our answer for our required expression, here it is 1 over 1 plus a plus 1 over 1 plus b plus 1 over 1 plus c equal to negative 2. So I will write here 1 over 1 plus a plus 1 over 1 plus b plus 1 over 1 plus c equal to minus 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.